So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to lock text in place in design wizard. So once you have design wizard open up on your device, what I want you to do is obviously add some text to your design. So go to the left hand side of your screen, go to the text tab right here, make sure that it is highlighted. I'm just going to add some, add a heading right here for demonstration purposes. I'm going to go ahead now and just make this text a little bit larger so that it's easier for you guys to see. Just bear with me here for a second. There you go. I've added the text right here. Now, if you want to lock the text in place, which helps for editing and all that kind of stuff, so you don't accidentally move it or delete it or whatever, I press on the text right here. If you press on it, there's actually three little different options right here. There's a delete button, there's the copy button, and then this one right here is the lock element button. So if you were to go ahead and just press on this element right here, it actually locks the text in place. So if you were to go ahead, press on it and try to move it, nothing happens. If you were to unlock it, then let's press on it, unlock it. Then you can go back to moving it in whatever such way and editing it in whatever such way you wish. So pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can lock text in place here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.